Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X4 with its key. First, locate your key fob. It has several buttons. Press the unlock button once to open just the driver's door. If you press it twice, all the doors in the trunk will unlock. This is the most common way to access your vehicle quickly and conveniently. Sometimes your key fob battery might be low, or you might need to access your car manually. To do this, slide the small tab on the back of your key fob. This will release the hidden metal key. Gently pull the key out from the bottom of the fob. Keep this key safe as it's your backup for manual entry. With the physical key in hand, look at the driver's side door handle. You'll find a small cover, usually on the left side, that hides the keyhole. Gently pry this cover off. Insert your metal key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. You can then open the door as usual. If your key fob battery is dead, the manual key is your solution for entry. If your car battery is dead, you can still use the physical key to open the door, but you'll need a jump start to start the engine. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. It's always good to be prepared for these situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.